Innovation for waste minimization.
In this video, we'll be demonstrating the sales process for Becca's H2O dry. H2O dry is used in waterborne shops to reduce the waste paint through solidifying the paint waste. Once dried, H2O dry can be disposed of in the regular waste stream, as long as proper testing and documentation is in place. It is important to note that improper documentation or improper waste disposal can put your body shop at risk of violation of the EPA. H2O dry can be demonstrated easily by pouring some of the sample provided into a little bit of waterborne waste paint. As the waterborne waste paint solidifies, the customer can then see the potential cost savings for their shop. Thanks for watching this video, and as a reminder, always follow up.
Innovation for waste minimization.